saw this thing that was talking about how people who talk with vocal fry like aren't taken as seriously, and people think that they're fucking stupid. And I've been panicking as of recently because my vocal fry has been like strong. Did you hear that? It's strong as frick. Like, it's actually like taking over. I'm freaking possessed in an exorcism. So I'm I'm trying. I'm going to do this new thing where I talk without a vocal fry, and I don't mumble, and I speak clear. I sound like a fucking idiot. No, like, people are gonna think I'm stupid now. This is me. This is me. Like, this is me normal, like, with vocal fry. This is me without vocal fry. Ooh, I still hit the vocal fry. Work in progress, guys. We'll check in.